Welcome to the first scheduling training video. If you just upgraded to Pro, this is the quick tour. Open Scheduling, and these tools sit beside the quotes, orders, and project records you already use. That means your team can plan work without leaving the app. Each morning, start on the dashboard. Action Inbox shows what is due, overdue, or needs attention first. The map adds location context, so one click tells you what is happening at that stop. Project Progress then gives managers a fast read on every active job. When the plan changes, the calendar is where you react. Drag an activity to a new day, adjust the schedule, then switch to resources to check crew capacity. It answers two practical questions fast. Where is the work moving, and who has room to take it? If someone calls about one project, open the job. You can see the address, linked quote and order, contact details, site photos, the work order, and the activity timeline in one place. Instead of hunting across screens, the whole job story stays connected. When you want scheduling to match your shop, start here. Activity types define the work. Checklist templates standardize the steps, and employees plus subcontractors shape assignments and capacity before the team starts moving jobs around. So the value is simple. The dashboard helps you run today. The calendar helps you react to change. Project View keeps each job connected, and configuration lets you shape the system around your process. In the next video, we'll go deeper.